Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is INFINIX Hot 30 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to manage app permissions on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Now right here we have to scroll down and open this privacy option, and here at the bottom we have app permissions, and now here you can choose whatever permission you want, for example permission to location, and you can choose what apps you want to allow to this permission and what apps you don't want to allow. And you can do this with whatever permission and whatever app you want. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.